Good morning. Today we're going to take a look at an 83 by 20 foot C5 red car hauler. Over here you see the sleeve lock Bulldog coupler, 5,000 pound Bulldog jack, 7-way RV style sealed wiring harness, Defender breakaway system, and it has 2-inch treated wood floor, bolt-on aluminum fenders, two 3,500 pound Dexter axles, has one brake axle, the rear one, 2-foot dovetail, has the rub rail for the ramps, and over here are the slide out ramps, LED lights all around. And this trailer's gross vehicle weight rating is 7,000 pounds and it weighs 2,000 pounds. So you can put 5,000 pounds on top of it. For more information, go to www.happytrailersales.com. Thank you.